You better buy that shit. This shit's cheap right now.
What size is it? I'm kidding.
It's your size.
It is. Why does the shoe keep coming back?
It came right back.
A few moments later.
Was cheap.
Cheap. I'm not even going to give you a price on camera, but cheap. Worthy of dropping a couple hundo. We're not talking about 3. Less.
Are you serious?
I have it marked for 3, but I'll give it to you for less.
Target locked.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another Soul Status quick hitter with Chris, Moose, and Mike. I switched it up that time. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that big button right below us. Make sure it is red. That will let you know that you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified when all of these videos hit. Today, we are talking Court Purple Dunk.
Yes, we are.
This isn't the first time we've spoken about this shoe.
It's not the first time we've seen it.
It's just the first time that we've talked about it while you were already fitted for it. Like,
I am fitted for it. I wish I was wearing black jeans. I'm wearing
Yeah.
light blue jeans, but this is a fire shoe. Like I'm wearing
Dope.
Court Purple ones 2.0s. This actually goes better with my fit than those.
Yeah, I agree.
And they got Zoom Air in them, so they're actually a little bit more comfortable. But they're both Court Purple. They're close to the same. You got the purple bottoms, so you don't have to worry about kicking up too much dirt. You just have to worry about your midsole, which is much easier to clean.
Much easier.
Really good looking shoe. You got the chunky tongue on it like you will with all SBs. It's just a really, really good looking shoe. It's way better than the Court Purple Jordan 1 Low that came out. Didn't like those at all. And we talk about it all the time. Give me a black toe on this type of silhouette.
You're a sucker for the
and I'm a
black
sucker
toe.
for it. There's something about it. It just looks so good to me.
Well, I love this shoe because it's a dunk. It's wider. If you notice, like the nose is kind of like curled in instead of the Jordan 1s, how it's more flat. You can see the raw skin. I feel like they do a really good job with the quality and stitching on these dunks lately. We did have this shoe. We were going to review it one time, and a buddy of mine ended up taking it that first day, and we never got a chance to talk about it. Yeah, same purples. Okay, we're good.
It's a little lighter. Like it's a
Interesting.
slight difference.
It's like it has a different finish almost, like more of a gloss.
I hit these off sneakers.
Just fucking with you.
This was on that run when I was actually hitting shoes off sneakers.
Put your shit back, dog. Your feet stink. All
I
right,
don't. I've worn these shoes 3 times in a year.
in a year. No, but I mean, I love the shoe. My only big thing is the bulky, thick tongue that makes my, jeans all messed up and looks ugly. For the most part, I wish I could wear it, but I won't. Big fan of the shoe, though.
you already know how I feel about this shit.
Love them.
You love dunks.
I want to hate on them just because you guys love them.
I know.
But yeah, I mean, nothing more to add, really. I mean, I love the shoe.
It's
I rock the
amazing.
shit out of it. You know, if you had this in if you just kept coming out with like retro colorways of black toes and did the Dunk Low Pros,
Yeah,
I'll buy every one.
they'd be gone every
Buy
time.
every single one. And they need to produce more of them or figure out a way to like distribute them better, because I feel like this is something that more people should be able to enjoy.
Yeah.
I'm really a big fan.
If they mass produce SBs, can they keep the same type of quality? Because when you get an
question.
SB, you typically are getting nicer leather. Like you're getting more for your money.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, you could feel it. You could see it just like from the nose to just everything.
Does that go away if these start popping up at finish lines across the country?
Maybe. I mean, maybe you're right. There's definitely something that's lost when they start moving towards mass production. We've seen it happen with the Yeezys. We've seen it happen with Jordans. The Carmines just came out. And there was all kinds of production issues. They overproduce to account for that. because there's always going to be some mistakes, some, you know, things that are glued or stitched wrong. Machines are not perfect.
That's how we get B grades.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen SBs in the outlets
Yes.
back in the day?
Not even that long
A couple
ago.
of years ago, yeah.
It was like maybe 3, 4,
I remember
5
dunks,
years ago.
but I don't remember SBs as much, or maybe not great colorways.
They also haven't made SBs for the same amount of time.
Yeah, or like this.
Yeah.
So I still remember when you'd be able to walk into a skate shop, they would have SBs in the skate shop, and they were just
remember that.
sitting in there. A lot of the dunks would end up in the outlets just because of they were sitting in the stores. So stores would send them back to Nike, sell them back for a discount. They'd end up in Nike outlets. I still remember going up to Great Lakes Crossing and finding them on the back wall for like 30, 40 bucks.
What?
Yeah.
Let's hope those days come back, people.
Yeah. Maybe not
Well-
that bad, but
If those days come back, you guys are doing something else.
Yeah, probably selling houses, flipping cars. Who knows?
Let us know what you guys think about the Nike SB Court Purple Dunk Lows. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, hit that big button, and make it turn red. And we will catch you guys on the next quick hitter. We'll see
See you guys.
Peace.